So we're gonna do some more tests on our sample piece with the 12A, 12B, 12C, 14A, 14B, 14C. So now we're gonna start doing the 16 and the 18 millimeter bolts. See, they tap in here very tightly. They are also weakened, as we can see here. And again, these are normal mild steel bolts. They're not especially strong or anything like that. And yeah, this is the only one I was able to break where I just put a nut on the back. But just with the pure tapping, none of them broke. And that shows us that the way these things are mounted in the mast is not secure, because it is the same way as it is done here. And when I pull on this bolt, it pulls out when obviously the bolt should break before it pulls out of the composite material. So we're gonna go ahead and do this 16 test now. As I said, this plate bolts onto this part here, and this pivots, so will only be tension on the piece. There's no bending force or anything like that. It just gets pulled off and then goes in here, and that pulls from the inside. So we have our 16 millimeter bolt installed in the machine, a 16 millimeter hole, and then I'm gonna thread it on there. And we can see it is threaded all the way through. Now this gets put in there. And we can go ahead and do the tension test. I will set the camera on this thread here to see how it pulls out. So this bolt failed. I mean the material failed. It pulled right out. This bolt, you can see, is weakened by about 50%, while this one here is weakened by about 75%. So this bolt only retains between 25 and 30% of its original strength due to its curve we've put in here. So this will be 16C, and we'll thread it in here for our next test. And as you've seen, it has pulled straight out again. You can see here, carbon fiber, pulverized just as we saw it on the mast. Take the sample out. Here we have the hole where it came out of. And again, this bolt is substantially weakened, and it just pulled right out. This tufnol has just sheared off. Just pulverized carbon fiber. This is the hole. 16B. All this weakened. So we see that this method of attaching is no good, as we already knew.